Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 18 January 2022 and today's video topic is non-access modifier. So firstly we see introduction of a non-access modifier in Java. So non-access modifier are the keywords introduced in Java 7 to notify JVM about the class and behavior or method and variable etc. that helps introduce additional functionalities and final keyword using indicate that the variable cannot be initialized twice. So what is a non-access modifiers in Java is first is a static, second final, third is abstract, fourth is synchronized, fifth is a native, and so on. So firstly we will see types of non-access modifier and that are in introduction. So for final is non-access modifier. In that we'll see final is a class, final is a method, final is an instance variable, and final is a local variable, and final is a method argument. So in this modifier can applied in a final method. So final class, final keyword is used with a class when we restrict the inherits by any other class. For example, if we have a final class that name is a ABC, then any attempt to extend this class can lead a compiler time error. So final keyword is used to indicate a Java runtime environment. It's mean Java JRE, that is method is not meant to be overridden in any its subclasses. So final variable is keyword. Final keyword is used with variable to restrict an modification to variables and values. This includes JVM to treat as a constant. This means final variable can be initialized only once. Next is a non-access modifier is abstract. So abstract method and abstract class is a non-access modifier. So abstract class is the class is declared as abstract, indicate as this class is not an instantiated, and which means no object can be performed for this class but can inherited. It's called abstract class. So what is abstract method? Abstract method are methods without any identification. It contains only signature of a method, and it's to indicate that the needs to be overridden in the subclass. So next is a synchronized non-access modifier. The synchronized keyword prevents the access of one method to multiple threads, and thus synchronizing the flow of program and bringing out desired result using the multi-threading features. So next is a static non-access modifier. So in that, static is a method. What is the type of static? Static is a method, static is a variable, static is a class, static is a block. So the variable is used to memory management, and first thing is reference while loading a class, and the member are treated as a class level. They cannot called using object. So first is a static variable. Static variable is declared as a static. Then only single copy of the variable is created and shared all object. uh, any changes uh, any changes made to be the variable by one object will be reflected other object. So static class is a keyword can only be used in nested class. And next is the static method. The static method are referenced by the class name. Is the class name can only access static member variable and other static method. And next is a static block. So static block, this is a static block being used in perform certain operations while uh, class is loading. And static can use only static members of a class. So this is all about non-access modifier in Java. Thank you.